Polya's first step in problem solving. So we have the four steps to solve a problem. First, understand the problem, devise a plan, carry out the plan, and review a solution. UDCR. Tandaan, Polya's problem solving, UDCR. Understand the problem, devise a plan, carry out a plan, review a solution. So the following slides will be a number of questions or strategies that will help you, kumbaga, palalawakin to kada step ni Polya's problem solving. So understand the problem. It will grasp what is known and what is not known. So you read the problem carefully, ask questions to clarify any uncertainties, and make sure that you know exactly what is being asked. So consider the following questions. Kumbaga, kine-question niyo yung problem sa isip niyo. Yan. Yeah. Can you restate this problem in your own words? Kung nahihirapan ka mag-English, Tagalogin. Can you determine what is known to these types of problem? Is there a missing information that, if known, would allow you to solve the problem? Are all words in a problem really understood and clear by the reader? Second, so devise a plan. Once you understand the problem, come up with a plan or strategy to solve it. So consider what methods, techniques might be useful and think about how you can apply them. So some strategies are as follows. Make a list of known information, yung kalimitan nating ginagawa kapag may mga mathematical problem, ulitin ang mga given. And draw a diagram just like the examples of yung uh, mga symmetry, yan, transitive, yan. Kumbaga naka-diagram. May 1, 2, 3, 4 para makita natin or madaling maintindihan yung symmetry. Kung saan nakadirect yung mga arrows para malaman if this like this set of elements is symmetry, transitive, mga ganun. Yeah, make an organized list that shows all the possibilities kapag hinahanap lahat. Kapag ang tanong sa mathematical problem, ano yung mga possibilities? Kumbaga, ita-time sa lahat para makita lahat ng sagot. Then, try to solve a similar but simpler problem. Kumbaga, hahanap ng mas madaling question. Kumbaga, katulad nung ginawa ko sa yung sa part ng mga questions sa psychological testing, napakahirap, hindi ko talaga makita yung sagot. But, I browse on the next numbers. Alin kaya dito yung same pero mas madali na problem. Then lastly, perform an experiment. Carry out the plan, kumbaga put your plan into action. So, carefully and accurately working in the problem, there must be a clear and essential information or data in the problem. Realize your initial plans will not work and that you may have to devise or modify your existing plan. So it includes performing your calculations, making drawings. So again, in carrying out the plan, it involves your calculation or making drawings para mas mapadali. Review the solution. You guess and check. Ensure that the solution is consistent with the facts of the problem. Interpret the solution in the context of the problem. Ask yourself whether there are generalizations of the solutions that could apply to other problems. Yan. Example of yan, nilapat na ang Polya's problem-solving strategies. And a baseball team won 2 out of their last 4 games. In how many different orders could they have win? Could they have 2 wins and 2 losses in 4 games? So first, understand the problem. There are many different orders. Parang nire-restate. Again, sa parte ng understand the problem, you restate the problem. Again, there are many different orders. The teams may have won 2 straight games or lost the last 2 or vice versa. Devise a plan. Make an organized list. Make all possible orders. Make a list of an organized list of all the possible orders. Carry out the plan. Each entry in our list must contain 2 wins and 2 losses. Just like this. Lahat ng possibilities talaga. Yan. Nung unang na-mention, 2 wins, 2 losses, vice versa. Win, lose, win, lose. Binaliktad, lose, win, lose, win. Then lose, 2 wins, lose. Then lastly, win, 2 losses, and win. So, all possible orders. So, reviewing the solution, the list has no duplicates. And the list considers all possibilities, so there are 6 different orders. Yan. Another example, determine the digit 100 places. Pala to. 100 places to the right of the decimal point in the decimal representation 7/27. So, solution. Understand the problem, express the fraction as a decimal, and look for a pattern that will enable to determine the digit 100 places to the right of the decimal point. So, kapag decimal na ang ating 7/27, 0.259259 and the same all throughout. Since the decimal presentation repeats the digits 259 over and over, we create a table. Kumbaga dito, on the first, second, and third. Tapos ulitin, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Kumbaga, on the first column ay kumbaga yung places 1, the third column will be 2, then the fifth column will be 3. So yung mga on the second column, fourth column, and sixth column, dun ilalagay yung 2, 5, 9. At kung drinawin nyo mismo yung table, makikita nyo or ma-observe nyo ay yung ang consistent lamang sa ating paglalapat ng mga decimal into their corresponding places ay ang makikita lang natin na may pattern ay yung 3 on the third position, 6th, the 9th place, 12th place, 15th place. Yeah. Carry out the plan. Kumbaga, in column 3, it is only divisible by 3. Ito ay in column 5. Kumbaga, kung ilalapat talaga natin sa in the table. In column 5, it is only divisible by 3. So we can tell from the pattern that the 99th decimal digit must be a 9. Divisible by 3 ang 99. So, yung corresponding niyang digit is 9. 99th decimal digit must be 9. So, obviously, Next to 99th place or position, 100. So, ano sunod sa 9? 259, 2. So, again, the 100th decimal digit must be 2. So, reviewing the solution, for instance, if each of the location numbers in column 1 is divided by 3, a remainder of 1 is produced. If each of the location numbers in column 3 is divided by 3, kumbaga, dinivide sa position, a remainder of 2 is produced. Thus, we can find the decimal digit in any location by dividing the location number by 3 and examining the remainder. Basta kapag kay Polyas, kapag kompletuhin ang mga sentences or kumbaga maglalagay kayo kung paano nyo ginawa into words. So again, you practice constructing sentences on answering polyas. Yeah, understand the problem, devise a plan, carry out the plan, and review the solution. So next, mathematical problems involving patterns. So ito naman ay nung its examples resembles arithmetic sequence. Or yung mga sequence, mga examples of sequence, but with a touch of polyas. So the following may be used as a guide. So first, the same, showing an understanding of the problem. Second, organizing information systematically. Third, describing and explaining the methods used and the results obtained. Then lastly, formulating a generalization or rule in words or algebraically. Then we have recreational problems using mathematics. Nowadays, there are a lot of recreational games that we could play, whether it is an online or an offline games. Yeah, brain booster. Since our mind needs a lot of correct thinking on how to deal with the games and finish the game successfully. So itong mga recreational problems using mathematics ay yung mga games or puzzles that relate to mathematics. Just like this. Pag may value yung kada figure. Or yung Sudoku, Tower of Hanoi, yung parang may 3 towers, tapos parang ililipat mo yung mga bilog na yon into the third tower. Pero ang rule doon sa paglilipat ng kada ring, kada bilog to the third tower, dapat mas malaki. Mas malaki yung nasa baba. So, hindi mo pwedeng or hindi dapat nasa baba yung mas maliit na ring kapag pinatas-patas mo siya or inilipat-lipat sa kada tower. Or, yung Tower of Hanoi, yun yung kalimitang ginagamit na intelligence dun sa mga unggoy. Kumbaga, kaya ba nilang mag-isip or strategize kung paano ilipat lahat ng ring to the third tower. And of course, again, the rule, dapat yung pinaka nasa bottom or nasa baba ay mas malaki kaysa sa nasa taas na ring. Yung makulay na ring, tapos may paglipat-lipat among the tower. So that's all for Polya's four-step problem solving. Mathematical problems involving patterns and recreational problems.